Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Zaria Shakira back again with another YouTube video. Today I'm just going to be showing you guys my 2019 skincare routine. I've been meaning to do this video for a very long time, but it's here now, so don't come for me. Over the months I have been trying to find the perfect skincare routine for me, and I really feel like this is the one. So if you guys want to see my skincare routine, then just keep on watching. Welcome back. I'm coming to you today live, crusty and ashy. Okay, so I'm really excited to finally be giving you guys this video. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is washing my face. What I like to wash my face with is some natural African black soap. I'm going to insert a picture so you know exactly which one I bought. So I've always known about African black soap, but I've never tried it, and I think about 2 to 3 months ago I finally decided to buy one, and I've been using it ever since to wash my face, and I really love how it works on my skin. This soap cleanses my skin very well, and it does lather up a whole lot. And I also don't even use exfoliators anymore because I really feel like this African black soap really does get into my pores. So now I'm just gonna wash my face. Okay, already I really do feel refreshed. Like, this African black soap is really the truth. I really love it. But now what I'm gonna do is tone my face. This is the second step of my skincare routine. This toner I like to use is the Dickinson's original Witch Hazel Pore Perfecting Toner. I got this toner from Walmart. Now the original toner that I did used to use was the number 7 toner. That was my first favorite toner, and I guess I just wanted to try something different. This has witch hazel in it, which is also great for the skin, so I just decided to test it out, and so far I do like it. I do apologize if my camera is going in and out of focus. What I do now with the same cotton pad is just drag it down my neck to get any excess dirt or anything like that off. So now moving on to the lips, I like to exfoliate my lips with some Burt's Bees Conditioning Lip Scrub. It's an exfoliant for your lips. It has like honey, sugar, and some other things in it. I'll list it down below in the description box if you guys want to go check that out. But all I do is just take a little bit on the nail of my finger and just apply it to my lip. Let me take this off my lip while I'm talking. But what I like to use to actually exfoliate my lips is a toothbrush. I just wet it a little bit with water and then begin rubbing my lips. So I do that for about 10 to 15 seconds, rinse it off, and then wipe my lips dry. Then taking some Carmex, I'm just going to rub it around my lips. Now that my face is cleansed and toned and my lips are exfoliated and moisturized, I like to take my Equate Cleansing and Toning Facial Serum. You can find this at Walmart. I will try to leave a link down below so you guys can find it. Also, for a key tip, when you are purchasing these, they do not come like this. They actually come in a box. This facial serum also has witch hazel and aloe vera, and you guys know how I feel about aloe vera, so I definitely had to pick this one up. So this serum has more of a water consistency than an oil consistency. That's one thing I actually don't like about it because it is sometimes hard to work into my face because it's just dripping everywhere. Alright, so after I work that into my face, I just let it dry for a little bit, and then I'm going to move on to the second serum I like to use. This next serum is a Hyaluronic Acid Hydrating Facial Serum. It's made by the same brand, and you can also find it at Walmart, obviously. And this has more of an oil consistency, and I really do love this one. I think this one helps with hyperpigmentation and things like that, so I definitely wanted to test it out. And I think so far since using it, my skin has looked a lot better over the months. So I really do love this serum. And while that's working into my skin, the last thing I'm going to do is take some Jamaican black castor oil and apply it to my eyebrows and eyelashes. Now, I don't do this every time I do my skincare routine, but I'm trying to incorporate it more because I want my eyebrows to be a little bit thicker and I want my lashes to be longer. And castor oil does promote hair growth, so I'm just hoping that my lashes and eyebrows grow. So guys, this basically completes my skincare routine today. I've been doing this routine for a few months now and I really do love it, so I'm going to continue this one. So there are two other products that I did not mention today. The reason why is because when I use these serums, I don't like to incorporate these other two products because it really doesn't work well together. So this first product is not new to anyone that subscribed to my channel. You probably have seen this mentioned in every single video. Hair, makeup, doesn't matter. But one of the products is the Mario Badescu Rosewater Facial Spray. I use this facial spray faithfully and I really do love it. I can use this on its own and it makes my skin just feel so good and refreshed. Now, the reason why I don't use this with the skincare routine that I just did is because I used this on top of the serums once before and I noticed some redness around my cheeks and I didn't really like that. I don't use this anymore when I use the serums, but I do use it alone or with makeup and things like that. Like I said, I definitely feel refreshed when using this, so I could just wake up, wash my face, tone it, and just spray this and I'm good to go. This next product is probably not new to you guys, but it is new to you on my channel. This is apple cider vinegar and I like to use this when bumps are appearing on my face. When using this, you want to be careful. You don't want to just put this directly on your face. So when I use this, I just grab a cotton ball, wet the tip of the cotton ball a little bit with some water, and then I go ahead and add this to the cotton ball and just wipe my face. I do notice when I use this product on my face and I have breakouts, it does go down, especially overnight. So I would recommend this for people who have nervous breakouts. That's usually my case. I'm not prone to acne, which I'm very thankful for, but I do get nervous breakouts sometimes. And I found that using this apple cider vinegar on your face really does help with that. So if anyone experiences nervous breakouts or just prone to acne, I would definitely recommend apple cider vinegar, putting it on your face maybe 3 times a week. Since using it on my skin, it definitely has helped with any of the bumps I have seen. But those are the two products that I did want to let you guys know about that I also use on my face regularly. They do work very well, but those two products I make sure I do not use when I'm using these serums. I just don't have time for any chemical reactions happening when my skin is already on the right track. I really do think I found the perfect skincare routine for at least the fall and winter seasons. I don't really know how it's going to work in the summer, but I will continue to use the skincare routine since it is doing very well on my skin. I know it's been a while since I've given you guys a skincare routine. I've only given you 2, so this is the 3rd one. I guess this might be a once a year type of thing, so check back next year, 2020, at the end of the year, and I should have another one for you. So it may or may not be the same skincare routine, but I definitely will update you if anything changes. I'm really in love with this skincare routine. I really think it does give me a nice natural glow. I feel like my skin now looks how it used to look back in the springtime of 2018. And my skin was like its best at that time, so I'm really excited for what the skincare routine is doing for my face now. But that completes my skincare routine today. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. Make sure if you like this video, you go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, hello and welcome. Make sure you are subscribed before you head out. If you are a returning subscriber, go ahead and make sure your post notifications are turned on for me so you can be updated on any future video. But that completes the video today. I want to thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!